Welcome back, friends. We're going to take a look at working with the Params keyword in C#. So we would like to be able to add a variable number of arguments together. What I mean is 1 plus 2 as a possibility. Or if you felt like it, you should be able to form 1 plus 2 plus 3. Or if you felt like it, you should be able to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, whatever. In other words, the number of quantities you add should not be specified in advance. So we can accomplish that by using the Params keyword in C#. So we're going to create a method, go and above main, type static, and then double, that's the return type, double, call it add, and then in the header there, we're going to specify the following type, params, that's a keyword, and what it means is you can supply a variable number of arguments to your method, which is different from the way most methods operate, which is that they have a fixed number of arguments. So params, and then you have to specify a data type like double, brackets, and then R. So in other words, this is an array declaration right here, okay? Double R is an array declaration that goes with the params keyword. And then add a set of curly braces. And all we are going to do is just go to the entries of this array named R and then sum them. So we'll say double sum is equal to 0 for that reason. And then for each var C in R, so remember that at runtime, and then we'll add them. So we'll say sum plus equals and then C like that. So this just it's going to add up the values in R. Each value will be represented by the letter C in turn as you go through the entries of R. And then at the end, you're just going to type return and then sum. So this will return the sum back to us. So let's invoke the method named add in the body of main. So type console.writeLine this way, $symbol double quotes, so sum equals, and then within the set of curly braces, just type, for example, add, the name of our method. And then as the first example, look at the tip that shows on the screen. It says double, that's the return type, program is the class, that's where it's located, add is the name of the method within there, and then params double is what tells you that you can do the following. You can type 1, 2, or if you felt like it, you could type 3, or you could type 4, 5, 6. It makes no difference. You can specify a variable number of arguments. The method invocation, when you call it, that step is not fixed to only 2 or only 5. So I've specified 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to take those numbers and add them together. So run this. Start with that debugging, control F5. And it tells you the sum is 21 right here. You can check for yourself if you like, but it is 21. That is correct. Close this panel. So just to show how this works, change this here. Add some more numbers. You see? I just added 3 more quantities to be added together with the ones from the previous call to add just now. No problem. So start with that debugging, control F5. You see the sum is 48 now. It works perfectly. So the benefit of this keyword, the params keyword, is you don't know in advance how many quantities you will need to operate on. It doesn't matter. You can have 2 or you can have 25. And a method, one block of code, works perfectly well in both cases. If you see, if I like,